Yes, welcome back children. In the previous session we discussed about the two early human sites, that is one in the Kashmir area, that is Kashmir Barzone, and another one is the Meghar, that also in Pakistan. Okay, these two early human sites we discussed. Okay, in that Meghar is the very earliest human settlement place. Okay, it's early human site. In this area, the archaeologists found lot of tamed, that is domesticated animals bones. Okay, goats, bear, and some other deer. These animals bones they had found. So what the archaeologist says, in this time, that is Neolithic time, there was a lot of difference between the Paleolithic and the Neolithic. In Neolithic period, they domesticated lot of animals, okay, for the milk and meat purpose, okay. In what are the other ways they used the animals? You want to give the answer to me, okay. And also lot of so many burial sites the archaeologists found in the Meghar area. In this pit, the Meghar burial pit, people kept the goat and other animals with the dead human. Why means they strongly believed there was a life after the death. Okay, so they kept these things with the dead humans. Okay, children. Yes, you listen the next. Meghar, a case study. I am giving us simple points. Okay, you just take these notes in your CW itself. This place is situated in a fertile plain near the Bolan Pass. Okay, Bolan Pass is the an important pass. Okay, Meghar was probably one of the places where women and men learned to cultivate rice and barley and rear goats for the first time. So I already told this is the very earliest site. People lived in square or rectangular houses with 4 or more compartments. They believed in life after the death. Hence, burial was practiced. Okay, children? Yes. Then next, see the houses, that is early humans, settlements, Meghar, a rectangular or a square house. This was found by the archaeologists. Then Neolithic implements of stone, flint and horn. Okay, till now we learnt about the Neolithic implements. Okay, here the pictures shows the stones and the tools. What used stone tools used by the Neolithic humans. Okay, children. Then next, tools. Okay. Paleolithic age, what tools they used? Simple shaped stone tools like cutters and hand axes they used, and also they used spear tips and sticks. Okay, this had used by the Paleolithic age persons. Then Neolithic age persons, what they used? More advanced shaped tools like bows and arrows and harpoons. Also they used spear tips. Okay, then we saw the mortars and pestles. Okay, what is called mortars and pestles were used for agricultural grains to grind the grains. Till nowadays we also use the mortars and pestles in the new way. Okay, so mortars and pestles used by the early humans itself to grind the grains. Okay, so the characters of Neolithic tools and weapons and implements. Okay, they were polished to give a fine cutting edge. Then they used the earthen pots. Okay, these things we saw in the new towards a settled life and the new way of life. People used the earthen pots in the Barzone and also in the Meghar places. Archaeologists found these things. For what purpose they used? Many kinds of earthen pots have also been found. These were sometimes decorated and were used for storing things. Storing things, what things they stored? Water as well as the grains. Okay. What purpose they stored the grains? For their future purpose. Here, uses of pots, cooking food and storing grains. Okay. Then what about other customs and practices about the Neolithic people? Okay, we saw in the Meghalaya area, they after the death of a human, they buried in a pit. In that pit, they kept the goat as well as other animals for their food purpose, because they believed there is a life after the death. Many of these farmers and herders lived in groups called tribes. Tribes have followed certain practices that may have been practiced earlier. A closer look, dying in Meghalaya. Meghalaya, located in a fertile plain near the Bolan Pass, which is one of the most important routes into Iran. It is one of the earliest villages that we know about. One of the places where women and men learn to grow barley and wheat and rear sheep and goats for the first time in this area. And archaeologists found the bones of animals like deer, pig, sheep, goat, cattle were found. Okay, children, I hope you understand. Then burial sites in Meghalaya, we discussed about this, even though I am again saying for you. Several burial sites have been found at Meghalaya. In some cases, the dead person was buried with goats and sheep, which mean to serve as food in the next world. Okay, children. Then a closer look to Doij Lihadi. Okay, this they given in your book. Just you see a small information I am giving for you. It's a site on the hills near Brahmaputra Valley, close to routes leading to China and Myanmar. These things have been found here. Okay. Then jade is a stone. Jadeite is a stone that may have been brought from China, have been found here. This kind of different stone, okay, is found in this place. Then points to remember. Listen. Our ape-like ancestors had to face many challenges from climate, wild animals and from other human groups. They gradually transferred from nomads to hunters to herders to cultivators and to protect present modern man. Prehistory is the period of history before the invention of writing. Yes, that we know already. The history was divided into two, history and prehistory. The written documents available period is called history. The written documents unavailable, there is no written documents. That period was called prehistory. Then prehistory is the period of history before the invention of writing. Paleolithic age is also called Old Stone Age. In this age, people used to live like nomads. They lived in small hunting and gathering groups. That groups were called tribes. The next, revise. Yes, because everybody asked nowadays the revision or that answer for your NCERT books. Okay. Yes, children, listen. Hunter-gatherers choose to live in caves, caves and rock shelters, because why they lived in the caves and the rock shelters? Because they want to protect themselves from the harsh weather or climatic conditions. They want to protect them from the heat and rain, okay, and also cold. Then grasslands developed around dash years ago, 12,000 years ago, okay, 12,000 years ago. Then early people painted on the dash of caves, walls of the caves. In housing, tools were made of stone and wood, okay. Look at the present day political map of the subcontinent on page number 136. Find out the states where Bhimbetka, that is in Karnataka, Hamsi and Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh are located. Where Tushar's train have passed near any of these situated places. Okay, you just try to give the answer. Then, why did the hunter-gatherers travel from place to place? In what way these are similar to different from the reason for which we travel today? They travel in search of food, okay. Nowadays, we also travel in search of job and for job purpose, for that also related to the life, okay. Then what tools would you see today for cutting fruit? What would they made of? Yes, list 3 ways in hunters gatherers used fire. What tools would use today for cutting fruit? We use the knife. What would they be made of? It made of steel or iron. List 3 ways in which hunter-gatherers used fire. Would you use fire for any of these purpose today? Yes, of course. Early humans used fires for cooking purpose and clearing the forest and drive away the wild animals, okay, scare of the wild animals, everything. We also use the fire for cooking purpose. Yes children, till this you go through your book. If you have any doubt, you just ask me. Thank you children.